Good evening, this is Eloise. We are out on the deck and you're going to see little bugs flying around, but I don't care. This is my happy place. It's 9 o'clock at night and the crickets are chirping, or whatever crickets do. And this is just a great place to be. And then I get to paint, so it's even better. So here is the picture we're going to do. It's on the Canson watercolor. I cut these in half. We send them as postcards, or you can make cards out of them. I like to do little fun stuff like this that's really quick. We send them on this Share the Art from the Heart on Facebook. It's a page that you can join if you just love sending cards to people that need cheering up. So we're going to start on this. First thing we have, of course, our palette. We have water and a fun little cup. You gotta have a fun cup when you paint. Got the credit card, cut different sizes, so I have a small one, larger, something round if you want. If you don't, water bottle. Brush the hose, lots of water, because we really add some water to it, and a few bugs. So what we're going to do to start off is start with our blue. We'll go with this blue. It's soft. And usually it's 3 or 4 colors, but you can do whatever you want to. It's your picture. And I just make a line across. I can moisten this up. It's gotten dried a little bit. And just run that credit card through there like that. Get you some stuff on there. And then if you want to, pull it down for some extra texture. Then just kind of go in and water it down. Let it run. If you like it that much paint, then stop it and let it dry. Or use a heat gun. If you don't, if you want it a little less, just keep working some of that paint out. You can also go in with your squirt bottle and do that. And then you just kind of shake it down on your paper towel. And we'll dry it a little bit, and then we're going to go to the next thing. I just get a little bit past shiny, because I really don't care if something bleeds over into it, and sometimes it's kind of fun. So I'm going to turn this around where I can keep it straight. We'll go into my green. Pretty much on a bunch on there. Then we'll go up to it but not cross it, because I kind of want to keep these separate for at least right now. A lot of green on there. So take this. Nope, I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to do my brown first. Do some burgundy. Now I'm going to water it down. Gotta love Tennessee and these bugs. Whew. It's a mess. Have you plenty of paper towel ready? Or at least I make a mess. I don't know. Y'all may not make a mess. Oh, I got some blue in there. That's cool. That's another fun way to do it. Now, let's get that a little dry. Now this just passed a little glistening, which will play in our favor here in a little bit, hopefully. Now, credit card again, this is the fun part. This is the part I like the best. As I kind of go in and just, I like brown to do my markings. It makes it look kind of rusted or something on that order. And just kind of make your marks. And just do whatever you want to do. This is the fun part. This is where you get to go. This is mine and nobody else's. And I'm gonna do some green. Love green. I like to do parallels, not sure why, but I like to put two things together. Next week I probably won't, but that's fine too. And if you want to throw in a kind of a circle-y motion, just go in, don't even get it really good, and just stick it somewhere. So that's fun to do. So that is how you do that. And have fun making pictures and postcards and cards. We'll see you later. Y'all have a good day.